Shannon and I have traveled a little bit south in Potter Township to the site of the Falcon Pipeline. We found it on the Frac Tracker app, and this is an ethane pipeline that will carry ethane from fracked wells to be turned into plastic at the Shell ethane cracker just north over this hill. And that facility will make 1.6 million metric tons of plastic every year. So the Falcon is pretty much constructed. There are some people out here today working on it, but a number of issues have been raised with it during the construction process. Workers and whistleblowers have come forth and reported pretty serious safety concerns that are under investigation currently. And in addition to those safety concerns, state and federal agencies have issued the Shell violations for its construction of the Falcon. And we're at the location of one of those violations where an inspector found that Shell did not have the pipe placed on proper protective padding while it was constructing at the site. Another violation that Shell received was for not using the proper equipment to monitor incidents like spills that could impact wetlands or streams or drinking water. And actually we have had spoken with residents who say that their drinking water has been impacted by construction. So we're working with the People Over Petro Coalition and a number of other amazing partners in the area to shed light on these investigations, make sure that federal and state agencies are holding Shell accountable for any safety issues or problems that they're causing, and making sure those are all being addressed and that residents are given the proper information that they're entitled to, because at the end of the day, no resident or community or neighborhood should be sacrificed for plastic production or for the profit of a corporation like Shell. We've done a ton of research on the Falcon. We have a ton of maps, which you can check out at our website. And this is part of our work to bring transparency to the danger that fossil fuel pipelines pose. So if you'd like to support this work, please consider a donation to Frac Tracker. Thank you.